All right, I'm going to show you exactly what we do. Take that old vent out. Yeah, they had two pieces of tape on it. Look at this. This is what I was talking about. Look how they just folded that metal back over there. Show them that metal right there, Paul. Yeah, they just cut a hole. They literally just cut a hole in the pipe and just folded that piece back. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that stupid piece. I can't believe what they do in mobile homes. You can never make that seal. All that nice cool air in the summertime and that warm air in the wintertime blowing right up underneath the house. That's all they do. So we make the same vent over again. We just replicate it. Except for we don't do our bottom like that. Instead of kind of folding it around, because you know that never works. Get a good seal. We put it just to bend an L. That thing, and then we're going to screw that down to that piece of pipe. With these little screws. Yep.
And they will screw into your finger.
Yeah, don't do that, Paul. I know. You gotta make sure it's square. I wish I had a square.
I got that. I got that.
Either that or just a piece of plywood.
I got that.
And then just drill it in. Yeah, take a piece of plywood right here like this. And on this side over here, just lay this piece of plywood down. Lengthways this way. And we'll rest it up against the side of it so it's square. Just because we don't have a square with us. What do you got? Something in the way? Yeah. Rid of all the crap. I meant to get them earlier when I seen them. That's the last two staples, Paul. That was about it. So this floor was stapled down, and you got to take all those staples off, out, whatever. Cut them off, bang them down. Yep, nice. See that? Clear that off. Look at here. This is, we don't have a square on us right now. We're just going to use that for a square. And we'll lay that square end up against here and get that nice and straight. Lay that vent right against it. And we know we're going to be perfect. Screw it down nice and square. Look at that. Yeah, that's how I square up my vents to the house.
Move on the bottom.
Yep. Beautiful. Small screw, screw it all the way around. I'll be able to move this piece of plywood. And now I know that square is going to be, that vent is going to be in there nice and square. Cool. Now I can screw all the way around. Sorry about that, Paul. Don't step on that. Dangerous. Nice square vent. When he's finished, this, don't use duct tape because it's too thick. You can use duct tape on the inside, but not the outside. So we use this 3M tape.
Heat and air.
It's a heat and air tape. It's very thin because when we when we tape the top, as you see on that vent over there, you don't want it to be make any difference when you're running your floor under this thing for it to be look like you have that rim around it. This is going to get taped inside and out. I don't even think you have to screw that back there as long as you get a good tape on it.
I got it.
Oh yeah, you got it. Perfect. Yeah, don't over screw your stuff. Kind of screw it nice and tender so you're not stripping your screws because you're only going into thin metal, you know. So take your time with this thing. And there you go. That's how we change our vents. And then at the top, when it comes through the floor, we will put it exactly where it needs to be and cut straight down the sides, all four sides, and they'll fold onto the floor. Nail them down, finished. Tape it. Taping. This is what we did. The job they did was very inefficient. And they put a couple pieces of tape on it, and that was about it. This is the way you want to tape it up. That's going to be sealed. You're not going to have air blowing under your house anymore. Especially once you do it again on the inside. See, we're getting ready to do it again on the inside. I'm showing you the whole process so you can do yours the same way. This is really it. I mean, besides squaring it up, this is the most important part, is making sure that the air is sealed. You don't want the air going under your house. Doesn't make any sense.
That's what I mean by inside. Around theirs onto yours.
Same thing again, over and over until you know that that is sealed. That is so important. And this tape is very easy to work with. As long as you don't stick it together.
Yeah. Stick it together, you screwed.
Yeah, give another piece. Get another piece. So, sealing it up all the way around, and I'll show you the next step on the top when we do the plywood. Like I told you, piece by piece, like a little puzzle, one piece after the next. Get all your blocking in there. Got a hole exactly where the vent was going to be. Paul's going to take these snips, cut that right down to the floor, all the way around. Pull it up so you've got plenty on there. Snip it right down. You know, if you took that 2x4 block or any block like this, Paul, and did that, and bang it down, it'll pull just a little bit better. See that? See how that went down? You put something against it on the inside, it'll fall down a little bit better. You want that as tight to the floor as you can get it out. Then we're going to take these little stainless steel, these are actually made for a roofing hold down felt paper. And we're taking the nail itself out because it's aluminum. And we're putting that in, so we want to hold that nice and tight. All the way around. Nail it down, make it nice and flush with the floor. Wish we could cut one of them off. Once it's nailed down, it don't matter. I'm still in aluminum nails. You don't want to put like a roofing nail in this. It will just oxidize and rust. Make sure your tape's on there really nice, sealed everywhere. That's very important. A lot of heat coming out of this thing. Don't want it going under the house. I know I keep saying it, but I just can't stress it enough.
You don't want to get on your wood.
Yeah, that's gonna, anything that goes into this house is gonna create moisture from the heat difference. And that moisture will get to the bottom of this floor and it just wants to rot this stuff out from the bottom up. Of course, not this Vantech stuff, but the irregular mobile home, manufactured home flooring, it will just rot it right out from the bottom up. I've seen people where I've went into their house before and I've cut out a piece on the top just trying to figure out what. And only to find out that the bottom side was completely deteriorated. And I have some videos of that, by the way. Let me turn this light out. Yeah, I have some videos of that if you want to look around. Piecing the puzzle together. We're moving right on down. Hope you enjoy my videos, and this video is just part of one of my complete videos. I'll be making another one of more of the floor and how we do it. But this one here, I'm going to put together just how to replace a mobile home vent if you replace your floor.